Here we go. I've never used this stuff before, but I'm gonna fill in. Well, there we go. I'm just gonna. Oh, yucky. You'll see, to stick little pieces of foam. All right. No idea what I'm doing. This is nasty stuff, but this is what I'm gonna do. Let's try and mash it in there. Now I'm just putting little pieces of foam in the gaps, which really isn't gonna do anything, but all of it will work together. I've always wanted to work with epoxy. Have you seen some of the wood tables? And there we go, 100. Let's put the cap on. Again, this stuff is weird. In that form, it'll stay gooey like that forever until you add part B. All right, this is part B, the hardener, and we're going to boom. I'm gonna put a little more. Okay, starting now, in 1 hour, that will be 4,000 PSI tensile strength. Okay, we're coming up 40 seconds. See how it's getting more clear? That means both parts are mixed. I do have 6 of these syringes. Get it, there we go. We're going to just simply inject a ton of epoxy in here. It's officially go time. I've got my gloves on. Epoxy is already starting to set up a little bit. This is what's happening now. Trying to be careful not to use it all, because I got to put a whole bunch on the metal. Probably should have got a couple tubes of this stuff, but hindsight is always 20/20. But I'm sure a lot of you are going to say I'm doing this wrong. The way I see it, I'm almost out already. Yep, that's it. Oh man, here we go. Oh my God. Damn it. Here we go. That clamp's got to go. I'm gonna have to edit that out, but man, just so you can see, I had to put new butyl tape all the way around here and get the old crap off, which was not easy. Oh, see how easy it'd be to fall off that ladder? That was a pain. Obviously, I gotta clean up all the butyl tape and all the excess, but that thing will never go anywhere. You can see I got a lot of making pretty to do, but it's all gonna dry. Well, I got all the screws holding that in now. So that bolt up there is tight. The bolt down there inside the cabinet is tight. Look at that butyl tape. That's a good thing. See how it squeezed out all the way around? Cool stuff, huh? We're done. Just got to make it look prettier.